Your car is all pink. That street corner, that van is also all pink. So, pink is color of Nirbhaya Didi.
Pink is color of woman.
Acha.
Nari Shakti Adhiniyam Act, 33% reservation in our upper house and assemblies.
Opposition parties have been saying that BJP is saying the 33% reservation bill for women they have brought, but when it comes to seat, they have only given 16% women candidates.
I hate when the politicians abuse each other.
You are hitting about somebody.
I hate everyone who talk about who just despise, abuse each other. That's not right. The language of politics in West Bengal must improve, and we must not
Just
we
West
must
Bengal,
not
ma'am.
be.
This is called Baul Songit, and if you are in Bengal and if you have to understand the music of Bengal, then first thing first that you should do, yes, there is Robindra Songit, Nazrul Giti and all other folk songs, but then Baul Songit is very integral to, I would say, the culture of Bengal.
আমি অনুরোধ করব সাথে নির্ভয়াদি তোমার সঙ্গে আছে ওই গানটা আপনি একবার গাইবেন। আগামী 7ই মে আসছে দিন, সবাই পদ্ম ফুলে ভোট দিন, এটাই সকলের কাছে আমার আবেদন। আমরা আবার বাউল শুনবো, আমি নির্ভয়াদির সাথে আপনারা কিভাবে আছেন সেই গানটা আমাদের তপনদা গাইবেন। ধন্যবাদ।
সোনার বাংলা গড়ার লক্ষ্যে আছে যে মোদি, তোমার সাথে সবাই আছে নির্ভয়া দিদি। সোনার বাংলা গড়ার লক্ষ্যে আছে যে মোদি, সোনার বাংলা গড়ার লক্ষ্যে আছে যে মোদি, তোমার সাথে সবাই আছে নির্ভয়া দিদি, তোমার সাথে সবাই আছে নির্ভয়া দিদি।
What a way to introduce the candidate. You know, I've been doing such campaign trails of so many candidates, but it is always so electrifying to be greeted in with music. And here, of course, the candidate was supposed to be greeted in with music, but then लुफ्त उठाना जिसको कहते हैं, हमारे नसीब में ये लुफ्त उठाना था, इसीलिए हम लोग इसका लुफ्त उठा लिए। क्या संगीत से स्वागत हुआ श्रीरूपा मित्रा, बीजेपी कैंडिडेट फ्रॉम मालदा। एंड मैम, Baul Songit is known as integral to Bengal culture, very integral to Bengal culture. Is it like properly planned out to in a way invoke that Bengali feeling, Bengali sentiment?
It's a planned program.
Okay.
It's an organized campaign.
Okay.
I'm doing the campaign to bring in a cultural element because
Okay.
in West Bengal, the political sphere has been polluted with bad words, abuses, fights, and everywhere you find this kind of bloodshed. This is the, I think, the biggest festival of democracy where 98 crore plus voters are joining. And we as candidates are also participating in this general election, which is the biggest event in the world. So I thought that let's do it with a sense of celebration.
Sense of celebration.
Yes, because-
so celebration to you invited, then चुपके सब इधर पे आके बैठ गई, ये कहाँ से celebration
नहीं,
हुआ?
ऐसा नहीं है because this is a street corner.
Okay.
Look, this is a street corner. He is singing a song for me.
Ah.
So I want to be comfortable. It's an informal atmosphere. It is not like a stage where I'll come and I'll give a speech and then I'll light a lamp. It's not that program. It's an informal get together of people. People join on their own. We don't invite people. They just come and when they hear the music is happening, they join us.
তোমার সাথে সবাই আছে নির্ভয়া দিদি তোমার সাথে সবাই
ये गाना जो है ये इंटरेस्टिंग गाना है इलेक्शन का एक अलग गाना आपने बना लिया हाँ इलेक्शन का अलग गाना
ये तो संगीतकार शिल्पियों का कलाकारी है ना।
हाँ।
तो इन्होंने बनाया है और पूरे इंग्लिश बाजार में
हाँ।
153 साल की पुराना
हाँ।
पौरसभा इलाका,
हाँ।
वहाँ पे मोड़ मोड़ में नुक्कड़ नुक्कड़ में जाके गाना गा रहे हैं और निर्भया दी का सपोर्ट जो है जन समर्थन
সোনার
उसको
বাংলা
बढ़ा रहे
করতে
हैं।
চাই মোদি সঙ্গে রাখো নির্ভয়া
হ্যাঁ,
দিদি
ভাই, বাহ।
क्या बात দিদিকে কবে এরকম করে নাচতে দেখেছেন এরকম করে হাত মিলিয়ে গৌ নৃত্য করতে দেখেছেন
দেখিনি
কোনোদিন দেখেনি আমি বলছি না লোকজন সারপ্রাইজ পুরো
একবার দু হাত তুলে বলবে জয় শ্রীরাম পূর্বের তোর সকল মনস্কাম আজ প্রেম আনন্দে বাহু তুলে নাচরে মো কৃষ্ণ বলে
very interesting I see your car is all pink
Yes.
your car is all pink that street corner that van is also all pink so pink is color of nirbhaya didi
Pink is color of woman.
acha
Pink is color of dignity of woman.
acha
Across the world, worldwide, pink is attached with women. And I'm using this color as a theme of my 2024 election.
ha
And what I want to say to people that we have to respect women, we have to love girl child, and we have to protect their life.
okay
And that is for what Nirbhaya Didi has done. Her struggle all throughout the life. Almost 35 years I'm fighting for the right of women. And in the beginning of my life, when there was no Domestic Violence Act, at that time, few of us who were interested in gender justice, we created small groups of SHG groups with gulabi sari, pink color sari on those
but
days.
don't you think ma'am this color demarcation also stereotypes that
No.
there are many men who would say I don't want to wear pink because pink is the color of women
That's about men. I'm talking of women. Nirbhaya Didi stands for women.
Acha.
You can see that woman power, that vehicle has the woman power.
but men also has to cast vote for you
Men have supported women.
Okay.
That's why women have progressed. I have also always tried to be very humble about the participation of men. And now we don't talk about gender justice. We talk about gender neutrality. Because women and men, they are equal. And now we have also Nari Shakti Adhiniyam Act, 33% reservation in our upper house and assemblies. So that's the law which has been enacted by Prime Minister
but
Modi.
it has not been implemented as yet
It will, because now we are in the
Subject
brink
to-
of no
Subject to-
subject. This is
subject to
passed by Parliament, so it will be implemented very soon after our new government is formed.
opposition parties have been saying that BJP is saying the 33% reservation bill for women they have brought but when it comes to seat they have only given 16% women candidates 16%
Well, the implementation of the act is yet to happen. It's an announcement. It was passed by the Parliament almost, I think, towards the last
Yes.
sessions of the last Parliament session. And I think BJP, I as a woman feel BJP is very, very sensitive to the cause of women. And in the party, we have a fantastic arrangement, and the logistic support we get, the dignity we get, the respect we get is invaluable. We have not found it in any other party, because in the party politics, role of women, responsibility of women, there are many questions raised. But being a woman, I have found that BJP has an extraordinary respect for women.
Okay.
So we like it. And you see, if there is a woman who's working hard, who has the acumen to contest elections, BJP has picked them up. For example, in Sandesh Kali, you have seen that we have given one woman who's a survivor of the conditions
A
of
complainant.
oppression
Ah.
that was happening in Sandesh Kali. Prime Minister has seen to it that he visited Barasat, he did a rally, The first rally on women's safety was done by Prime Minister there. I was also present. And secondly, we were very thrilled when we saw Rekha Patro, a survivor of Sandeshkhali, is contesting Lok Sabha election. So I think that is the message that we are giving to public.
And also to Trinamool Congress as a party?
I don't talk about Trinamool Congress because this is a election of this is a central election. We are talking of the larger picture. A macro view of the country has to be taken. It's not about a Trinamool BJP and BJP Trinamool, which we hear in West Bengal politics. This is not the election for West Bengal politics. That was there in 2021.
When BJP says that we are there, when you say that we respect women, BJP respects women, question that many people have been asking, that what happened to Bilkis Banu? You are a Nirbhaya Didi. I asked this question to a woman.
I want to tell you something. We are right now in an election campaign, just now. And I just finished the Baul and I have to go to Gambira.
Okay.
So I think these are larger issues, larger women's issues, gender issues, which we can discuss later after the election is over. I can talk hundreds of hours on Bilkis Banu case and many such cases. But I would like that you excuse me for the moment till the election is over.
If you become a member of parliament, I'm sure you also have a vision for your constituency. So what is your vision?
See, I have,
Three things.
yesterday I have talked about 21 promises.
Okay.
So all 21 I can't talk right now,
Three.
but I'll
Three
talk
major.
about three major. Number one, there is a big issue in my constituency about Bhangon. Bhangon means the erosion of soil in the river bank of Ganga, which is happening and eroding land, houses, villages, and even the government schools, ICDS center. I somehow feel that we need a very strong political will and attribute to control to prevent Bhangon and to stop the displacement of people. Number two, there is a big issue which irritates me every day. We have two Rashtriya Jalmarg here. One is Ganga, another is Mahananda. In both the rivers, I found that from English Bazar municipality area and Dhulian municipality area, there is all the sewage, dirts, they are going to the river. Because
okay.
there is no permanent treatment center for the pollutants. So somehow or other, I have to create a mega treatment plant for sewage in both the cities in Dhulian as well as here. Out of these 21 promises, one promise is that every 5 kilometers, I am going to build a Nirbhaya center.
Nirbhaya Center.
Yes,
Okay.
that's for women. It's a one-stop convergence center for women, which is going to take care of the problems of women.
Didi, suddenly you have become in an avatar. Many would compare you with Mamta Didi. Mamta Didi also wears a white sari. Nirbhaya Didi is also wearing.
No, I think this is a wrong question. I'm wearing the white sari. I'm wearing pink also. I'm wearing green also, blue also. But I'm wearing white because there's too much of heat now.
You all kept on repeating that language has to improve. Election time, everyone should speak the cultural language. And was it?
Not cultural language. I hate when the politicians abuse each other.
You are hitting about somebody?
I hate everyone who talk about who just despise, abuse each other. That's not right. What message you are giving to the young children who are seeing you on the television? The language of politics in West Bengal must improve, and we must not.
Just
we
West
must
Bengal,
not
ma'am?
be.
Just West
It's
Bengal?
not happening elsewhere much. If it is happening anywhere, I condemn it. But I am saying that in West Bengal, it has become a standard of giving gali galoj, using bad words, and also not respecting the age, not respecting the positions that we have. So I, as a pravakta of BJP, I have been advocating this cause that the language of politicians, the language in politics, the rhetoric and idiom in politics must see a better time in West Bengal.
Your constituency also has a demography, and it has about a minority population about more than 50%, and then you have
More than 60%.
more than 60%. Now, when you raise the slogan of Jai Shri Ram or Hare Krishna Hare Ram, do you think that can in a way dissuade your minority voters from voting from?
I don't look at it that way because all that what is happening here is an artist who's singing. I'm not singing.
What's your message
See,
to
the
what's your
artist-
message to the minority
See,
voters?
the artist is singing. They have the freedom, right to sing whatever they want. They have come forward. They are at least coming forward to sing for me.
That's no. I respect every artist. I
Now
respect
the second
every.
thing, what is minority doing? I think this time the minority youth and women in major numbers, they are going to vote for me because I have gained considerable popularity in Shujapur, in Samserganj, which is minority driven area, and we are doing very well there. Nirbhayadi is doing very well there, and Nirbhayadi is absolutely confident that we are going to get this minority votes this time in a large number.
Do you think, in middle of that, the Mangal Sutra Muslim debate can come in your way?
No, I won't talk about these unnecessary, irrelevant discussions right now. Whatever our national party is, spokespersons are there, they are talking. As I told you, I'm in an election campaign, and you can understand from my talk that I do not intend to get into sensationalizing any topic.
Your campaign.
I don't get into any controversial topic. I don't abuse people in politics. I have my own mandate that I have to protect my people. I have to look after my children. I have to look after my society. I have to look after women. That's my mandate.
I have to admit this. I've never seen Didi even shout inside the assembly. If she has to make a message, make a point, she would stand up and she will not shout. While other MLAs I get to see from the opposition bench scream and shout, Shirupadi is like very quietly seated, and she would also raise a point, but without shouting. Without shouting. Correct me.
That's the way I work.
Now when I go back to Calcutta and when I meet my friends, other colleagues in the assembly, I'm going to tell them that Shirupa Mitra during the election campaign for Lok Sabha, I have seen her dance. I will. Thank you for
That's nice.
smiling.
That's
Thank you for
nice. Thank
smiling.
you.
Thank you so much,
That's
ma'am. Wish you
nice.
all the best. Shirupa Mitra, the BJP candidate, has put out all these stickers here, mostly in pink. You have Prime Minister Modi's face, her face, Eibar Modi Sarkar. Of course, the symbol of BJP is there, and she is the sitting MLA of English Bazaar. And this is her car. This is her car, which is entirely in pink, while BJP has, as a political party, has their own color, which is the saffron. And but here in Shirupa Mitra's campaign, you would find pink, pink and pink. She says it's a vote for a woman and vote for women empowerment. Some of the critical questions she definitely did not take, and she said she is in a campaign mode. But again, the questions will have to come in the way of every leader, irrespective of which political party they belong to. And election time, every question deserves an answer. There are no bad questions. Here in Malda, English Bazaar, doing this campaign trail of Shirupa Mitra, the BJP candidate, along with video journalist Ronnie Shatra and Shuman Gupta. Shuman is somewhere there with the second camera recording the other sequence. This is Samal Shah, Hafa News, The Truth, NTT.
বুদ্ধিমান মানুষ এরা জানে কোথায় ভোট দিতে হবে কিন্তু এই জানে না কোথায় কোথায় ভোট দিতে হবে মোটা বুদ্ধা ভোটার
মোটা বুদ্ধা কইছিস আমাকে
What is the definition of Bharatiya Janata Party? আমাকে উত্তর দিব উত্তর দে
আরে বলি বেছে না
পেয়েছে না
আরে তোর মতন ভোটার হলো আমাদেরই